Deb.
Hello.
We are vintage shopping today in Fort Lauderdale for our project in Hudson, New York. And Deborah's going to tell you something that she's excited about and I think it's going to work perfectly. And it's all about reusing, recycling, and imagining things. So Deb, tell us what you think in your mind.
Okay, first of all, when you go vintage shopping, I say go with someone you love. Santi and I are having a great day, and it's fun. You have to be very patient. We've been to several stores already, but we chanced upon this store. Chance, does that make sense? Whatever. We came to this store, and we fell in love with this headboards.
Out of the budget.
Out of the budget. So again, this is role reversal for Santi and I, because typically I'm the one who's freaking out about budget, and he doesn't give a crap about budget, right? So these are two twin headboards. There is no twin beds at all in the Hudson project. So I was thinking we put them together, because then they make up a queen size bed. Now, as they are now, if we just stick them like this, they're still too big. So the wonderful gentleman who owns the store said he would cut here and we could put them together, and guess what? They become 60 inches, which is the size of a queen bed. I really like this idea just because you're recycling, and it's also so out of the box. And I think that's what design should be. It should be out of the box. At first you were a little concerned that it was too weird to put two twin headboards together, right?
No, not the two twins. I was concerned about the to be wider than the mattress.
Right.
So it looked like a T, like floating.
Yeah.
And I didn't like the gap between the two headboards. But if you cut them over here and put them together, and now we got to fix the height because we find that they're too high. So we're gonna make them lower, and they're gonna be hung on the wall, so we can adjust the height on the installation.
Right. We have a lot of freedom when you hang a headboard like this on the wall. It's a great idea because you can make it higher or lower. You can make it to suit whatever your aesthetic needs are. I don't want to make this video too long, but I just want to show you two other things that we found that are just great. So
Deborah found two other things you like.
You're right.
See if we can get the price right.
Yes. So we have these two dining chairs. Now, we purchased 6 dining chairs recently on a vintage website. And we've been looking for 2 really interesting chairs that work with the style of the other 6 chairs. You want them to be different, but yet work with them. And we just fell in love with this. Now, ignore the fabric because it scares me. And also these are down cushions, which you know we will not use down. Horrible industry, sad for everyone. The geese, the people, the laborers, everything. So we're going to replace these cushions with foam.
And they're hard foam, so you don't sink into them. You can eat comfortably at the dining room.
Right, so you're not like in a high chair like a toddler. And that's another bad thing about down. You see, you sink into it. There's nothing good about it. So we love these 2 chairs, and we'll see if we can get the price down because they're also pricey. Last thing, and he's laughing because he never hears me. Literally, it's role reversal. Okay, and then we love this chair. This is a whole set, but we don't need the whole set. It's beautiful. Look at the wood. Look at the detail. Again, the fabric is gross, but we're going to change the fabric. And this could be like in one of the guest rooms, just like in a little corner with a cute little chair, a cute little table.
That I like.
It's beautiful.
Yep.
And it's got casters, which is really cool. The little wheels on the bottom.
So let's see if we get the prices.